Well, I really wish I had a setup like this when I had my first tractor. Hey, my name is Jeff with United Ag & Turf, and I've been around tractors a long time. And something that I learned right away is that hooking up a 3-point implement and then connecting the PTO drive shaft is something that can be really difficult. Well, today, I've got a solution for you that is simple and affordable that makes both of those tasks very easy. On a tractor, the 3-point hitch is made up of 3 components: the center top link and then 2 lower draft arms. When hooking up a 3-point implement, it can be very challenging because each of those 3 have to be independently lined up and pinned, and that can require you to get on and off the tractor multiple times while making adjustments. The solution to all of that is the John Deere iMatch Quickhitch. In fact, once you get it installed, you'll probably never take it off because you can attach and remove implements in a matter of seconds. Here's how it works. You simply lower your 3-point, back up your tractor in alignment with the implement while keeping your eye on the center hook. If the center hook is in alignment, then the lower hooks will also be in alignment. Once the 3 hooks are underneath their respective implement pins, raise your 3-point. It snaps into place, and just like that, you're ready to go to work. The next challenging job is hooking up the PTO drive shaft that requires pushing, pulling at the same time, twisting, and getting everything to line up. The simple solution to this challenge that we sell is the PTO link. It's made up of 2 simple parts, one that goes on the PTO drive shaft and one that goes on the tractor. With these 2 parts installed, you can hook up your PTO drive shaft without even breaking a sweat. All it takes is aligning 2 of the implement plate studs to the receiving plate teardrop holes. Then press the plates together and give it a slight twist to couple the interlocking holes while the spring pin falls into place. Next, insert your safety pin, and don't forget to hook up your safety chain, and you're ready to go to work. Come pick up these 2 great attachments for your tractor at your local United Ag & Turf.